Now today, let's start with chapter number 15, the early humans. In this chapter, I will tell you about the life of early humans and tools, housing, clothing and farming. So, the early humans lived thousands of years ago. The early men are called hominids. Hominids कहते हैं, the story of this early man is known as prehistory, and the earliest hominid remains have been found in Africa. They lived in caves. They learned how to use tools for hunt. And what they did, they used the tools, how they will use the tools for hunting. So they always lived in small groups and moved from place to place in search of food. So they are called nomads. And modern human beings, it appeared on the earth 40,000 years ago. And the early men lived in thick forest full of trees, and they lived big animals in the forest, right? And there was no food as we eat today. So early men had to go in groups. वो groups में जाते थे और food find करते थे, and they are known as food gatherers. और उन्हें हम क्या कहते थे? Food gatherers. Now life of early human. Life of early humans are very tough. They used to hunt animals and eat raw flesh. वो animals को hunt करते थे और raw flesh खाते थे. They also used to gather fruits and roots, and they move from one place to another in search of food. That is why they are called hunter-gatherer, and these hunter and gatherers lived in groups. So early humans had no knowledge of knowledge. मतलब उनको कोई knowledge ही नहीं थी किसी भी तरीके की language की. They used hand movements. इन्होंने hand movements का use करा, sign का use करा to talk to each other without words. So early humans began to copy sounds of animals. तो early humans ने क्या करा? They started to use the sounds of animals. This helped them in hunting. They also used these sounds to call out to each other. और उन्होंने sounds का use करा to call out. Next is tools. Early human used stone tools. Slowly they learned to use sharp stone to dig out the roots and kill small animals. What did they later did? They learned to make the use of tools for hunting. Tools were made by striking piece of stone together. Later they started to attach these stones to long piece of wood. And these were sphere-shaped tools like stone tools, bones tools, wooden sticks, spear, hammer and axes. So these tools were used to hunt pigs and other wild animals from a distance, and hunter used these tools for their safety. और hunters इन tools का use करा for the safety from wild animals, like we can say wood and bones. They were used for making tools, right? The tools were used for hunting. हमने fishing के लिए, digging के लिए और swimming के लिए इसका use करा. Now houses. Early men did not have houses like today we have. They lived in forest and in trees. And later they found caves and lived in them, and they moved here and later they started making houses for themselves. They built nuts made up of, उन्होंने huts बनाई जो किससे बनती? mud से और leaves से. If we talk about clothing, early men did not wear clothes. वो अपनी body को bark और trees से leaves से cover करते थे. Farming. Early men kept on discovering various things. Early men used to eat fruits, throw away seeds on the ground. One day they noticed that seeds go into roots and then into a new plant. And then they collected the seeds, and what they did, they started growing crops, and this led to invention of farming, and they were now called food producer. अब उनको क्या बोला जाता था? Food producer. And this leads to the beginning of agriculture. And they started digging soil with stone tools to plow land. Now animal rearing, early men could not do all the work themselves, so they thought of taking help of animals. So what they did? Dog was tamed and used for hunting, and then early men started rearing cow, goats and buffaloes for milk. फिर later क्या हुआ? Sheep को भी rear करा गया wool के थे, and this made the life of early men very easy. Now early men could live a settled life as they started building tent-like huts. Now they live near the farms, and later they'll also learn to make pots from clay, right? Now discovery of fire, which was very useful. Now early men, they can cook food. पहले वो क्या करते थे? रॉ मीट को खाते थे, उसको कुक करके खाते, ठीक है? और ठंड में वो अपने को प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं कोल्ड से, ठीक है? और वाइल्ड एनिमल से भी अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं. So the fire was the first discovery. One day Someone rubbed two stone together और एक spark आई और वो जाके नीचे ग्राउंड पे गिर गई और वहां पे ग्रासेस थे तो उसमें आग लग गई. ठीक है. They learned to add leaves and bark of trees to keep fire burning. After a discovery, early men learned that animals were afraid of fire. So early men kept animals away by lighting a bark of tree with fire, and this made early men feel safe. So one day a piece of meat fell into a fire और वो क्या हो गया, वो बहुत soft हो गया, मतलब रोस्ट और उनको बहुत टेस्टी लगा. Right? Then we have invention of wheel, which was an important discovery in the life of early man, because first of all they have to move on foot from one place to another, carrying loads on their back. और अब उन्होंने क्या करा, व्हील का यूज करा एंड इट बिकम इजी टू मूव एंड इट वाज लेस टाइम टेकिंग बिफोर एज बिफोर. सो व्हाट हैपन, एक उन्होंने क्या करा, लॉग ऑफ वुड लिया, उसको ऐसे रोल करा तो उससे उनको एक व्हील का आइडिया मिला. एंड व्हाट दे मेड व्हील. No one knows how wheel was invented. Believe that someone saw a log of wood rolling down from a hill. They moved the log in rolling log of wood. This led to invention of wheel, and the first wheel was made by cutting wood logs. और उसको circular shape में काटा और slash से उसको क्या कर दिया, जोड़ दिया. And what this? Now they can carry heavy goods and loads to the long distances. और अब invention of wheel क्या था, greatest invention था that made the life easier. Now, no human progressed in their lives to make it comforting. Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.